Today we're going to cover swing trading, simple JD version. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, JD here. It is July 25th, 2023, and I'm really excited about this increased episode because I'm really believe I'm going to help somebody today, and swing trading is going to become easier. It's going to become a little bit more simple if you can grasp what I'm going to show today. So first, swing trading. You know, a lot of people say, what is swing trading? Well, my opinion, my definition of swing trading, I got a picture here. Let me find it. Is basically, that ain't it. It's basically you are trying to catch a swing in the market. So a swing would be like this. 1, 2 legs up. That's a swing. We went from this price down here to a much higher price up here. That was a swing of prices. You know, if you're trying to scalp, you may only be trying to catch this one little bar. A swing, you're expecting prices to go from the bottom of this range all the way to the top would be a swing. Swing low here, this is swing high. So that's swing trading. My definition of it, you're just trying to catch a nice strong move in the market, you know, of a significant distance. You know, typically from the bottom of a range to the top of a range, we can call that a good swing. You know, this is a swing low, this is a swing high. We buy off of the swing lows, we sell off of the swing highs, right? Simple. That's it. You don't do anything until price gets to what I call the kill zone here or the kill zone at the top. That makes it, again, simple. So let's go over another truth here that people don't realize a lot of times with what I just showed you. So we're going to come back to that. We're going to come back to range, trading a range for a swing trade. But what I want to point out also is that, let me get a marker here. Remember, always remember that the market can only do 3 things. The market can only do 3 things. So we're going to try to make trading simple. The market can only do 3 things. Let's get a line here. Okay, the market can trend up. The market can, let's just say this line is an EMA. Oops. The market can trend down. Oh, this one was so terrible. Let me do that one again. Let's back up. Market can trend up. The market can trend down. And the market can move sideways. That's it. This is the only 3 things the market can do. Up, down, and sideways, which we refer to as a range. Okay. So I want to point something out. If this is the only thing that the market can do, what you can do is start at the base, which would be the range, and you'll be able to see everything else that happens. You know, what do I mean by that? Okay. So if we start by trying to find a range, let's say we've boxed it up. Prices is going from the top to the bottom to the top to the bottom to the top to the bottom. These are swings, right? This is swing trading that we could be taking. But even if you don't want to take swing trading, if you start with a range, eventually the range is going to break out one direction or another, and it's going to head into a new trend. This one would have been a downtrend. But if it had broken out the top right here, this would have been the start of a new uptrend. So if you start your search, if you start and begin to look for a range market condition, even if you don't want to trade the range, then you just wait for the breakout to start the new downtrend or start the new uptrend, because the market can only do 3 things. Either you're going to be ranging, trending up, or trending down. So if you start with the range, that's going to help make trading more simple. It's going to help your swing trading because you'll have a better idea what the market is doing, especially if you got a for sure certified range going. Then you will know, hey, I'm gonna take these extremes, I'm gonna take these range fades, or I'm gonna wait for a breakout pullback to start into a new uptrend or downtrend. Just with that, the options, you only got 3 options: trade this range, wait for a breakout, or 2 options really. So again, that's gonna make your trading a little bit more simple, a little bit more straightforward. And if you decide to trade the range, it's gonna take your swing trading to the next level. So let's see if we can catch one right now. So we'll switch over to pocket option. And I don't have much start. Well, this is star from yesterday. Let's see how they looking today. Started to Aussie dollar. And while I'm looking, hey, if you enjoy that little, introduction to swing trading and trading in general right there, really, and if you think that is going to help you make it simple, please subscribe, share, and like this video. It really helps, and I greatly appreciate it. So let's see. Nothing on the audio. It's just trending down. Take that off. Euro dollar. Whoa, beautiful trend up. Beautiful trend up. All right. Start from the beginning, people. Time to clock in. Audi CAD. Now this is a nice one right out the gate. Nice range. I'm gonna box it up. Hit this the bottom. That'll work. We're gonna hit this the top. So here's a swing, right? Swing low, swing high. And we're almost back to the high again. So this is what I'm looking at. We've had 2 touches on the bottom, 2 nice touches, right? This would be the second touch off the top. We also, oh no, we didn't trade down into it. Oh, when I go back, we've had some history in here. So we've been trending kind of in this area for a minute. Had a little overshoot here, but it did come right back down into it. Here we are again. Now, this setup is looking beautiful. Here's the EMA, a mile away. Last time we came off this area, it was a beautiful touch and a drop, and off to the races. We're almost to the kill zone right now. Again, mile away from the EMA is what you want to see. Then coming up, we had a trend up, trend break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like 5 legs up to the high. So it's interesting. This is a falling hammer. Typically, I will go here. We just missed the touch though. Oops, this is a 10-minute trade. Let me make sure I'm all set up. Yep. I'm going to try to be patient here and see if I can get the touch. And hopefully I don't get left. We'll see. Really would love for this to push up and give us the touch that we needed here. We are so far away from the EMA right now. We'll see if we get the touch. All right, we're getting the action we want to see now. We're almost there. Almost to the kill zone. Come on. Get there. Don't be square. We have a kill zone touch. We are in play. The EMA is a mile away. And look at the action we've been getting here. Clean price action. Clean. Swing. Swing low. Swing high. Swing low. Swing high. We're getting the rejection. And off of that, here we go. I'm going now. I hope I wasn't too early, but this was a ton of rejection right off of our key entry point, right off the kill zone. I normally would have waited for a red candle, so it might be early, but tough call because it came came off with so much stem here. But anyway, we got 10 minutes. Hopefully we're right. Hopefully we will get the rejection that we expect, and we get a good push down like this and that. 10 minutes. EMA, mile away. candle. So that's a win. So it was a little closer than normal because we didn't get under the EMA. So what we could have here is actually a trend up, trend break retest happening. So that's just another price action, price action movement that happens. So, but good win nevertheless. Even if I'd have taken, this was the better entry here. So I was early. This was probably the better looking signal candle, but entering here I had a purpose because this was a ton of rejection right off the top of the range, as we, like we say, we sell at the swing highs, and that's a win. So again, if you want to make if you want to swing trade and make it simple, start by locating your range. Let me show the picture again here. Oops, why do I keep clicking on that picture? Start by locating your range, and then just simply fade the bottom, fade the tops. Only the tops and bottoms. Stay out of this. Stay out of the center. It could get choppy. But when you do this, you could clearly see price action. Look, this is a high, push down. This is a lower high entry. Take that right there, boom, that's a win. This is got to the bottom, first entry. Second entry short from right there, that's a win. So see, when you start at the range, you will begin to see all the other price action setups more clearly. Here's a little baby range, inner range, breakout pullback entry, boom. Then we finally made it down to the bottom. Then 2 legs down to the bottom. So price action is happening all the time, but when you can focus on the range, you'll start to see the price action, follow the price action, and take advantage of the price action. So that's the lesson for today. Simple swing trading on pocket options. So if you've enjoyed this video, again, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll come back and do it again tomorrow. So my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.